Hi. So first of all, I'd like to apologize for not making any videos lately. I've had a lot on my plate, but I've also been working on some pretty cool projects. So you guys will get to see that soon. Though I've had this 3018 milling machine for a while, I've just been too lazy to figure out how to use it. So I've got a long weekend, so I figured this will be my first attempt at ever trying to use it. The difficulties with it have been generating G-code, but also I've needed to transition from using SketchUp, which I've used for all my models, into Fusion 360, which has a computer-aided manufacture element to it, so that can generate the tool paths for this thing. And in the future, I have a Nomad 3 coming in, which is a much more expensive and higher-end mill. So ideally, if I get good at this, I'll be able to make some pretty quality parts out of wood or metal or acrylic or whatever. But yeah, so this is my first attempt. I'll show you guys. So I apologize because you're going to be hearing my 3D printer. First things first, this is just using a piece of styrofoam just because I don't want to risk breaking any tool heads yet. But I got the measurements of the styrofoam block and I drew this piece of stock in Fusion 360. And then what I did is I generated this little smiley face embedded into the stock. And then I generated a facing operation and then two pit operations. And if I simulate those, let's see what they do. So this is generating a tool path for it. Right now it's just doing the facing operation. And now it's carving out the actual smiley. So yeah, let's see if we can get it working. What I'm gonna do is I've got the code that actually, or the program that actually spits out the G-code connected to this mill, and it's gonna feed the coordinates to it one step at a time. Let's see. Not bad. So obviously this is just a first test, styrofoam, but in the future I've got plenty of projects in mind for this, so yeah, thanks for watching.